All right, welcome back to the Jason Gray Show. I got Sharon here from Arch MI. How are you doing, Sharon?
Good, thank you for having me.
Good. Hey, a lot of questions my clients have through the process. You know, they get the mortgage insurance because they're putting less than 20% down, and they're like, when can I get rid of mortgage insurance? Can you touch base, you know, how that process sort of goes, when you can do it, and then maybe to touch base on FHA loans, how you can never eliminate mortgage insurance. So let's talk about just conventional loans first and tie into that.
Thank you. And that's a great question. And at your company, New American, you service your loans,
Right.
so you have an easier time of it than most.
Yeah.
I wanted to say that mortgage insurance is cancelable, and there's several ways to do that. And first and foremost, it's always up to the servicer of that loan. So
Correct.
in your case, New American.
Yep.
And it's really easy to look up your guidelines on that. Most people follow the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac guidelines, and there's 3 different versions of it. One is if you've had your loan and your loan is amortizing down to a 78% outstanding principal loan balance, then it is automatically dropped unless that's deemed high risk. So otherwise, you will automatically get that payment back to New American, then you give it back to the borrower.
Right.
And the second way of doing that is paying outstanding principal.
Right down to 20%.
And that really varies. Sometimes
Really
it
does.
can be, there's no waiting period, sometimes it's 6 months, sometimes it's a little bit longer,
Yeah.
so you always want to check with your own company. And then the last way to cancel your mortgage insurance, if your borrower has noticed that your home values have appreciated, and so they can work with the servicer and ask them to get a new appraisal, and sometimes it can be an AVM or a full
Right.
appraisal.
Yeah.
And then they want to see that that is a true value and that they've had mortgage insurance for 2 years,
Correct.
been current for the last 12 months,
Yep.
and no additional liens for the last 12 months.
Yeah, that's how our guidelines are as well. So, so great news. So that's fabulous for everyone. And in this marketplace where the last couple of years, you know, we saw a huge increase in price. They're like a year into it, like I can get rid of mortgage insurance, right? Like you got 24 months to wait. It's okay.
Yes.
So
And your other question in the
FHA.
beginning was
Yeah.
FHA, yes, because conventionally, you can cancel it, and
Right.
FHA you cannot. So
Right.
that is a really important point to keep in mind.
yeah, and it used to be different too, where back in the day you could remove mortgage insurance on FHA loans and you can't. Best advice for clients who are into an FHA loan, they think they have 20% down and they got a rate advantage, definitely consider refinancing your house. There's plenty of opportunities out there for you. Sharon, thank you very much again. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Jason.
All right, everyone, take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.